Hello everyone. So in this lecture I am going to explain about pivot transformation in Domo. So this is one of the important transformation and little bit tricky. So this one I will cover in little bit detail. So pivot transformation. So in pivot there are two transformation in Domo. One is pivot, unpivot, and one dynamic pivot is also there. So what does pivot means and how to do pivot? Pivot just denormalize the data, transforming single column with multiple row into multiple column in single row. So what do we do here? In this we do transform, okay, of single column with multiple row. Just example, this is the product column, have multiple row. So after pivot what we will do, this single column will convert into multiple column with single row. If we can see all the products like A, B, C, A, B, C, for all distinct product will have one column, and this will convert it into a column ABC, okay, and this value will we will use same as the value. So this is the input we have, and after pivot this output we are going to get. So now the question is how we will achieve in Domo. So this is the interface to achieve in the Domo, like this is how we can create. Let's go and see how to do practically. So this is the pivot transformation. Select the column that has the column label you want. First we have to select the column that we want to as a column label. So here we can see product column we are going to transform. So we have selected product here. So let's select anything, not product, like anything we can select. Let me select item country region, okay. Select column that identify a row. Now we have to select a column that identify a row. So we can see we here we have selected a month. So this month, like what will happen after transforming, this month will identify as a row for all values. So let me select anything that will identify a row, and that will be with our output data. So let's select order date, okay. Name a new column to create. So what are the columns we are going to create? So here you can see name the column you can create. So here we have given we want to create a three column product A, B, C, and given the column a new label, and give this column a new label A, B, C, and when we will create a column, the column will have value A, B, C. We will give the value A, B, C. So let me okay, let me open one more tab and see what value we have in store details, sample details data. So origin. So we have four unique value: Indonesia, Indonesia, Indonesia. So this Indonesia will be the new column, and this Indonesia label will identify the row that belong to this new column, okay. So it will search into the origin list, and wherever it will it will find Indonesia, so it will pick that value. Now here again we have to select country origin only. 1 minute. Oh sorry, this is column is for which value we want to show. Value we want to show order item count, okay. like after pivoting, like in pivoting we will have one column that will have multiple row and multiple columns, so that will be Indian origin. So to make but we need value also for this two combination, so this order item account will show for this. Same next for China, we are going to take for China, then Vietnam, China, sorry, item count only. So we can take another value also, that's not a problem. In this value column, like whatever value we want to call populate in the new column, we can select here. Like here we will have the conditional also, like if the origin is equal to Indonesia, then we want to see order count. If the origin is equal to China, then we want to show some other order count, we can do like that. That is not a problem, that based on requirement we can do. And next is United States, it's a compulsory United States because I like United States. This video will go little bit long because the concept is also little bit tricky. So this is done. 1 minute. Let me select the column. So order item count, country origin, order date. Yes, so we have to make pivot based on these three. Output data set, pivot. So for this I am going to show you output also, because I have shown I have this input and I will get this output. So same here, I have this three column as a input. Now in output I will show you, I will have a column like order date, one column will be there, and another I will have three column, that will four column, that will be Indonesia, China, Vietnam, and USA, United States. And this order item count will be in the value, not in column. So let me run and show you the result. I don't know how long it is going to take. Should not take 20 seconds, more than 20 seconds. It's done. So let's go to the data sheet. Yes, order date, as I said, I have four extra column: Indonesia, China, Vietnam, United States, and these are the order count. So for order date, this anything like for order date, this Indonesia have this much count, China have no count for this order date, Vietnam has this much count for order date. So we may have this kind of report requirement, we may get okay. So in that scenario we can use this, but same thing we have available in Domo card also. So instead of doing here, we can create in Domo card too. Thank you. So in the next lecture I will cover unpivot. Thank you.